Enhancing B2B cold email conversion rates. Proven strategies with AI tools. AnyBiz. Cold emailing is like approaching a stranger at a party, but in the digital world. Your email is your conversation starter, aiming to turn an unknown lead into a promising opportunity. Does cold emailing work? Yes. MailChimp's study shows a 21.56% open rate in business and finance. In B2B, it's crucial, with 89% of marketers using email as their primary lead generation channel. Cold emailing can be a game changer for startups and established companies alike. It's cost-effective, scalable, and can open unexpected doors when done right. Ready to turn cold emails into hot leads? Calculating cold email conversion rates is essential. Define your goal, track your numbers, and calculate conversion rates. Overall, open to conversion and click to conversion. This helps measure success and find improvement areas. To calculate your cold email conversion rate, start by defining your goal, like getting replies or clicks. Next, track the total number of emails sent, delivered, opened, and how many of those led to the desired action. This will help you measure the effectiveness of your campaigns and identify areas for improvement. Calculate different conversion rates. 1. Overall conversion rate, open to conversion rate. 3. Click to conversion rate, if applicable. Email quality, list segmentation, compelling subject lines, sender reputation, and timing all impact conversion rates. Effective follow-ups, clear CTAs, and a strong value proposition also play key roles. Common mistakes in cold emailing include poor targeting, generic content, and weak subject lines. Not optimizing for mobile or ignoring email regulations can further lower conversion rates. Personalization at scale faces challenges like limited data, inadequate technology, content creation bottlenecks, balancing automation with authenticity, and complex segmentation. 10 best practices for enhancing cold email conversion rates. 1. Create compelling subject lines by personalizing and creating urgency, while keeping it under 40 characters. Avoid spammy words and excessive punctuation. 2. Personalize emails by using the recipient's name and referencing recent achievements or relevant issues. 3. Segment your audience to match messages with their roles and interests. 4. Timing matters in cold emailing. Aim for midweek mornings, Tuesday to Thursday, between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Adjust for time zones and use scheduling tools. Avoid overwhelming recipients with too many emails. Space follow-ups every 3-5 days. 5. Your CTA should be clear and direct, like book a free consultation. Stick to one CTA per email and ensure it aligns with your message. We've covered all 10 best practices for improving cold email conversion rates in our article. Just check the link below the video to learn more. Leveraging AI tools to enhance cold email campaigns. Smart segmentation, hyper-personalization, predictive timing, AI-powered content creation, sentiment analysis, and smart responses. AnyBiz boosts cold email conversion rates by targeting top prospects, offering unmatched personalization, and automating outreach and follow-ups. Its AI adapts and refines strategies, ensures consistent engagement, and provides valuable insights. Try it for free. AnyBiz's AI sales agents provide 24/7 personalized outreach, smart prospecting from 80 million leads, and optimal timing for emails. It automates follow-ups, engages across channels, and warms up email domains for better deliverability. Thanks for tuning in. Discover AnyBiz.io and subscribe for updates on our latest tools and insights.